Hello everyone, I'm Chinmayee Aravind. I'm a student of JSpiders and I've completed my engineering in 2025 from Atria Institute of Technology, majoring in computer science and engineering. I joined JSpiders as an incubation student during February, and then later I got to know about FSTL batch, and there we were trained about Java, SQL and all the other subjects which were required for company. And today's round was aptitude round, which I have cleared. Second round is for coding, which was conducted online, and third round was one-to-one interview where we had been asked about technical questions which came throughout our BTech or BE. It was asked about OS and DSA questions, SQL questions as well as core Java. In HR round, basic HR questions relating to company and about my skills which I have gained in my BTech was asked, and I thank all the JSpiders faculty and HRs for adding me to this requirement, and I thank everybody.
And my SQL was taught by Ramakrishna sir, Java was taught by Anupama ma'am, Rajshekar sir and Manasa ma'am, and manual testing was taught by Pradeep sir as well as Prashant sir, and automation is ongoing with Ali sir, programming is ongoing with Hemant sir. Thank you QSpiders and JSpiders for adding me for this requirement.